A new report published by Public Expenditure Minister Jack Chambers has found that major state projects are at risk of not being completed due to the lack of capacity in the construction sector. However, the Construction Industry Federation has rubbished these claims and has said there is enough capacity in the sector for the National Development Plan. Construction constraints are just one of 12 barriers to infrastructure delivery identified by the report, which is based on 2 months of consultation with stakeholders. The report focuses heavily on what it says is the threat of judicial reviews on infrastructure, which the report says is having a chilling effect on delivery. However, the report also identifies that Ireland has fewer people employed in the construction sector compared to the peak of the Celtic Tiger, when demand was also high. It also outlines that productivity in the sector here is lower compared to other EU countries. But the Construction Industry Federation has said that this isn't the case. Not only is there enough workers, but some of their members have had to go abroad for work. In particular, the Federation says that there is enough capacity in the sector to cope with the delivery of the National Development Plan. This is something the government's report says is under threat if the issues in the sector are not addressed. You can follow this story and more on the Irish Independent.